In this fourth video, we'll cover the steps the dietitian can follow during the cooking demos. Step 1, be mindful of yourself. Speak slowly and clearly. Make good eye contact with your audience by looking at the camera often. Step 2, positioning. I like to use 2 devices with cameras on each so that one device will be facing me and the other will be facing my cutting board or kitchen countertop, so the audience can observe how the food is being prepared. Step 3, start recording. Tell the moderator when to start the recording. Then the moderator should start the recording and display the cooking demo flyer for a few seconds. Step 4, introduce the staff. Introduce yourself and the moderators. You may want to share what schools they are students at and what their roles have been in preparing for the cooking demo. My name is Bina, and I am a Registered Dietitian Nutritionist for the ACL grant at the New York City Department for the Aging. And today we have 2 dietetic interns who will be moderating today's event. We have Shuming and Karina. They are dietetic interns from Hunter College. Step 5, credit. Give credit and acknowledgement to ACL and your organization at the beginning and at the end of the recording. This event has been brought to you by the ACL Grant Virtual Smart Living Initiative in partnership with the New York City Department for the Aging. Step 6, save the date. Announce details of the next cooking demos so that centers can mark it into their calendars. And also, please save the date for our December cooking demo on December 14th, Wednesday at 11 a.m. The recipe that we'll be doing is beef egg drop soup, and that cooking demo will be in English and in Cantonese. So please tell your Cantonese speaking friends about it, and please mark that into your calendars. Step 7, announce other grant services. Share with the audience information on other services provided by the grant. Step 8, moderator announcements. Pass it to the moderator to explain and display your cooking demo library if you have one. And as you've known, if this is your first time attending today's demo, or if you've attended previously, you know that we've done a lot of different demos, and those have been recorded. So we have many of those are stored on our cooking demo library website. And thank you, Lauren, for displaying your screen. As you can see here, there's a whole list of recipes in English with if you click on any recipe, you'll see that there is the recording along with the recipe card. And if you go to where it says alternate languages, you'll see that we have some recipes, demos that have been done in Spanish, some have been done in Cantonese. So please feel free to check those out. And this is a great resource to see our past demos and to see the schedule of our upcoming demos. So definitely feel free to check it out, and I'll ask Lauren to put that link into the chat. And another thing that I wanted to mention is some of you might know that as part of our other services that we provide, our nutritionists provide individualized nutrition counseling over video. So this is if you have any personal health concerns or just want to improve your eating, you could meet one-on-one with one of our nutritionists over video and discuss any concerns that you might have, or if you just want to improve your eating. And this is a free service. We also have bilingual dietitians who speak Cantonese. So if you speak Cantonese, or if you speak any language other than English, or have any friends or family, older adults who would be interested in meeting with a nutritionist but don't speak English, we also have translation services available. So please feel free to spread the word or take advantage if this is something you think you might be interested in. And we are also offering free nutrition educational items to participants who attend their very first session. So for those of you who may have already attended your first session, you'll hopefully be receiving the items soon, as the shipment was delayed, but we just recently received it. So we hope to have those mailed out to you soon. Step 9, introduce the recipe. Introduce why this specific recipe was selected for today's cooking demo. Step 10, reminder to wash hands. Remind participants to always wash their hands before they prepare food. Step 11, pause for questions. As you prepare the recipe, pause for questions periodically. Step 12, the why. Reinforce how nutrition plays a role in disease development to emphasize why participants should make small healthy changes to improve their food choices. Step 13, define. Define recipe terms that the audience might not know, for example, dice, simmer, or mince. Step 14, hold it. When describing items such as ingredients or special utensils, hold them up to the camera for several seconds so the audience can see what you're referring to and what the package looks like. Once you are finished with the cooking demo recording, you'll want to end off with repeating the important announcements who entered late and may not have heard. Step 15, save the date. Again, announce details, including the date, time, recipe, and language of the next cooking demo. Step 16, recipe ideas. Request for recipe suggestions to be sent to your organization's email address. Step 17, other grant services. Again, share with the audience information on other services provided by your grant. Step 18, ACL Credit. Again, provide credit to ACL. This will also serve as a cue for the moderator to display the flyer for a few seconds and then end the recording. At this point, the moderator will do shout-outs to centers who have submitted their attendance information to encourage other centers to submit it as well. The moderator will then explain to participants how to raise their hands and unmute themselves to share questions and comments. Step 19, live interaction. The dietitian will then call on participants who have their hands raised. Step 20, goodbyes. Thank participants for attending, encouraging them to attend again next time. Thanks for watching this 4th video where we covered the steps the dietitian can follow during the cooking demo. See you in video 5, where we'll cover what steps the dietitian can follow after the cooking demo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.